How to change my Temu account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch or change into another account. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see your U option or your profile option. Tap on it. Here on the right top, you'll be able to see the settings icon. Tap on settings. Here on the bottom, you'll be available with two options, switch account or sign out. You can choose any one of these. Now here I'm choosing switch accounts. Now select the another account that you want to log in with. You can directly add account or it will be saved right here. Now just tap on the another account that you want to log in. So it will take some time, and as you can see, I've been changed into a different account. My profile picture has been completely changed and I name too. So the orders will also be changed according to the account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.